side, but, well, not the bad side, but Bonaire. Out. As you can see, there ain't much to do here in the port, but we'll bring it to you. We'll see what's around here to do. We've always booked an excursion here, so we'll find out. These are the excursions for Carnival. This was full, as you saw from up on top of the ship, so we'll bring it to you. All right, so as all ports, got a few bars, restaurants. These are where you go get your private excursions. We're going to continue to walk up the street.
Yeah, you go.
You want to ride the... That's pretty cool.
This is what? The government mansion?
Yeah, the government building.
It's always a straw market. Always a straw market. You can see behind Terry, that's how close we are still to the ship. In case you didn't know, Bonaire is known for, you guessed it, salt. If you take the tour of the island, they'll take you by the salt mines. Basically just like little inlets, like little bays that they bring the salt and stuff in, sift the salt out, make mounds out of it like you see right there, and sell it.
Sir, will you take a...
This little street here in Bonaire reminds me a lot like St. Martin. If you've ever been on the main strip in St. Martin with all the shops, computer stores, all that stuff. What a... roast of pastel. Roast two. All right. This is a pretty cool picture of the ocean right now. Out in the hallway. Another bar. burrito. Now this is on a side street. Now we're walking back out to the main street. And we're probably gonna stop at that place right there because it's on the water. But I don't know the name of it yet. Funny. You're so funny. This house, just down from the ship again. It's part of the tours that they do. Not sure what's so special about it. That's pretty cool there. They got floating docks, but no way to get to them. Huh, that's weird. So it's in several languages, Dutch and English.
Look at the flowers. So pretty.
A lot of things you can't do here. No barbecuing, no jumping, no throwing your trash, no smoking pot, no boats, nothing in the floating pier. And Terry wanted that flower. So this is a canal to nowhere, I guess. That's kind of like a boat.
You can
And
go
they're
over
actually
there.
apartments. I swear their trees are drunk here. They grow in circles.
Tea tree.
All right, ship's getting littler and littler.
That
So-
scared me. What was that?
A leaf.
No,
She
it
just-
just ran in the bushes and knocked the leaf out.
All right, so anyway, I think we've hit the end of the road.
This is
All
what
right,
they
so we're
call
gonna make
the
a
end
U-turn
of the
and
road.
go back.
End of the road.
Lighthouse over there, just at the top over there. See, Goofy. All right, so you want to make a grill? Yeah, just get you an old tire rim. That's funny. And then this tree has a lot of shoes in
If
it.
you need any.
I do need a pair of size 9.5 or 10. All right, so when you're walking on this sidewalk, be careful because it's kind of narrow, you'll fall off into there. It's about a, I don't know, 6 foot drop. And it's not like you hit the water really good.
You're scaring me.
Oh, this place is pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Sit under there. You can lay in the water. Pretty cool. You want to go swimming?
Pat, you're already on dinner.
Oh, really? But would you really care if you went into that beautiful water? Would you, Terry? Look at all these fish. Look at all that school of fish down there. We're going to throw them something here in a minute. It's awesome. Here we are at Karel's. I mean, you can't beat the view, folks. Look at that water. All right, here in Bonaire. I just want to show you the menu. I got some strange drinks. But we're going to have to try one for sure. So they have a goose juice. Goose, we don't know what that means. But then they have sex with an alligator. Sex on the beach, naturally, everybody knows that one. The Godfather, passion fruit. And then you come over here. Now this is really called a duck fart in Alaska, but they call it a B-52. Basically, it is Kahlua, Bailey's, and generally it's a whiskey on top. So they got a French kiss, a Bazooka Joe, a lot of weird stuff here. But they do have a painkiller. Babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're here at Karen's.
Carrie's.
Carol's. And this place is my favorite place ever. It's so nice. And look how
Yeah,
beautiful
water.
the water is. And we can see big fish back there. This is one of my favorite places. We're in Bonaire. I would spill this drink on here, but it's too good. I'm not. This is a wonderful place. It's off the pier right on Bonaire.
It's right by the
We can see the
ship.
ship and look at this water. It's my favorite place now.
Every place is our favorite place. All right, look at that water.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ready? All right, so here we are at
Carol's.
Karel's in Bonaire, and I'm going to try their local beer. It's called Vista.
It's in Dutch.
Brasa. Brasa. It's Dutch. Okay, so we're gonna try it. To me,
Taste
it
the lime.
tastes just like a Corona Light with a little lime.
You like it?
Just like a Corona Light.
Oh, nice.
So there it is, because they have regular Corona, which is extra. Oh, and by the way, don't forget about the painkiller.
We're living it up today.
Yep, we are.
Living it up.
Hope we all live in an orange submarine. An orange submarine. An orange submarine. That's pretty funny. So Jerry got the coconut
Thank you,
shrimp.
hon.
You can see the sauce is down in the pot itself.
Look,
Other coconut
look.
shrimpies. Eat one, baby.
Happy.
She's happy now. And I got some kind of soup. I can't pronounce the name of it, but it's all seafood. It's yummy. Watch, they're waiting. All right, baby, go. Watch this. Bam. We've started something. What runaway raft? It came from underneath. Someone rented it, and it's leaving. Going to Aruba. All right, they're escaping everywhere. We even got three-way over there. That's funny. Not really, but it was underway because of my informing them that they were escaping. I think I should get a free meal, or at least one free drink. All right, so this is Karel's. Awesome place, beautiful view.
See them? Oh.
She goes, it's killing her not to touch that water. So she's gonna go out in that water. Oh boy, she's a lot of work. Lot of work. Right, there she goes. I told you a million times she's cray cray. Cray cray Terry. All right, so Karel's is about a 5 to maybe 10-minute walk from the actual ship. So there's the ship. You just got to walk straight down this street. You can't get lost. It's pretty much one way. And there you go. Great place to come. Beautiful views. The pirate ship loading up again. They just got back with a full load. Now they got another load. there. You look well. That's where we were at. Hey, where are we going?
We're going to dinner. It's been a great day. I can't
It has
wait.
been a
I'm gonna
great
get shrimp cocktail and French onion soup. That's it.
That's it?
I'm full.
No,
I
you
eat
get
like a
more than
little
that.
bird.
Because we ate lunch. We don't usually eat
We had a
lunch.
late lunch. A late lunch.
Yep. All right. So
It's all good.
we're heading to dinner.
We are. Here we go.
All right.
Oh.
We'll bring you that menu right about.
Now.
We got French onion soup that she already tore into, and I got French onion soup as my first appetizer. Look at that little Kevin got French onion too. Little Kevin. Second appetizer,
That was never
mushrooms and corn chowder. Got the seafood linguine. Terry got the corn chowder and French fries. What'd you get for dessert?
I got orange sherbet.
Orange sherbet. She's gonna clean her palate. What a fun day.
Great day.
We did.
I
So
love it.
that place we went to for a lot. The drink, that was fun. That was an awesome place. Feeding the fish. Saw that.
Carol's, yeah.
Alright, so anyway, so she just went in on an 80-cent bet. She won almost $300.
That machine was very hot.
My machine, no such thing as a hot or cold machine, but my machine. But last night I won $300 on it. Can't win.
Yeah.
Not tonight.
It's been fun though. We were having fun. We had a great dinner with all our friends out for dinner, and then we went to the casino, and we just went walking around the ship and had a great day.
Yep. Alright,
And
so
guess what? It's time for now.
it's time for
So good.
alright.
So
So anyway, it's that time. She's going to bed, you know, or I'm going back to. And we'll see you in the morning. Tomorrow's the sea day, the day after is the sea day. Heading back to
I'm
Florida.
not going to bed.
Alright, heading to Celebration Sea Day. 2 days away.
Good night.
Alright, so we'll talk to you later. Say bye.